Despite being in a digital age, the Visayas State University Student Electoral Board is still largely anchored to a traditional pen and paper election system. This reliance on physical manual process isn't just a matter of tradition. It is a significant bottleneck that hinders the efficiency and modernization of our university governance. Through our analysis, we have identified critical pain points that define this problem. First is that manual candidate filing creates a logistical burden for both the SEB candidates, slowing down the verification of applicants across faculties. Second is that the reliance on physical tallies leads to inevitable human errors and inconsistencies such as misread ballots, which jeopardize the perceived fairness of the election. Next is that hand counting every paper ballots forces the student body to wait days or even weeks for results, creating unnecessary tension and uncertainty. Next is that the manual system is limited in real-time visibility, making it difficult for stakeholders to verify the integrity of the process and further fueling the skepticism. Finally, the overwhelming volume of manual tasks places an undue burden on SEB student officers, taking up significant spaces of their already tight academic schedules. We are here today because the pen and paper era at VSU has reached its limit. Which brings us to Plenum. Plenum is not just an app. It is a digital and centralized election management system specifically engineered to replace the pen and paper bottleneck with a high-performance institutional standard. By moving the electoral process into a unified digital ecosystem, we provide the student electoral board with a command center that manages the entire election lifecycle. Plenum addresses the critical pain points through these core functional pillars. Automated candidate registration. This replaces physical paperwork with a digital filing system, allowing the SAB to organize and verify applicants in a fraction of the time. Robust voter validation eliminates slow manual ID checks by instantly cross-referencing logins and against a secure database to ensure only eligible students vote. Hybrid e-ballot system provides a seamless paperless experience for both online and present-based voting, removing the need for physical sorting. Live voter turnout count provides a real-time participation tracker to drive student engagement while maintaining the sanctity and the secrecy of the actual votes. Secure access control protects the system with multi-factor authentication and encrypted data flows, ensuring only authorized SEB officers can manage the process and preventing any tampering. Plenum transforms the SAB from a board burdened by administrative paperwork into a board empowered by real-time data and secure automation. We are taking the next step toward a modernized digital campus democracy.
When we look at the market opportunity for Plenum, we are focusing on a system built specifically for the Student Electoral Board. In our institutional framework, university, campus, and faculty SEBs are not separate entities. They are a unified umbrella. So Plenum serves as the digital infrastructure for this entire hierarchy, replacing heavy manual workloads with a single high-performance standard. But a system is only as powerful as its adoption. While the SAB manage the backend, the student body, our thousands of peers across Visayas State University, we are the primary users. By moving to this web-based platform, we are removing physical barriers to democracy. We are allowing students to verify their identity and cast ballots securely from their own devices, regardless to where they are on a campus. Our immediate goal here at VSU is by empowering the SAB with automated tools for candidate registration and voter validation. We drastically reduce human error. We are proposing an institutional shift, a platform where the SAB maintains total oversight and every student has total access to a fast, fair, and modern election. Transitioning to our business model, it is vital to clarify that Plenum is a mission-driven platform, not a commercial product. Unlike profit-heavy software, Plenum prioritizes transparency and sustainability. Our goal is to provide a scalable solution that standardizes student democracy without the burden of licensing fee. To ensure Plenum remains a permanent fixture, our sustainability strategy rests on three pillars. First, institutional support. Plenum is integrated directly into the university and SAB infrastructure, utilizing existing school resources for hosting. Second, technical partnership. By collaborating with the university IT office, we ensure the backend is supported by professional security protocols and server maintenance. Third, student-led innovation. We employ a student developer maintenance model. This creates a cycle of continuous improvement where student developers from the CS department manage the central repository as part of their technical training. This isn't just a one-off project. It is a self-sustaining ecosystem owned and maintained by the student for the student. So who's behind Plenum? Meet the team. The speaker before me is Mr. V. Emmanuel Anyora, the team lead and lead developer, and I am Ms. Chan J. Lelis, the UI UX designer and the test lead of the team. Join and support Plenum. We propose the adaptation of Plenum as pilot system for student elections within Visayas State University. Your support will help ensure efficient, transparent, and credible electoral processes. Let us take the next step toward digital campus democracy. Thank you.